Hello beautiful family, warmest welcome back again to the Lovystouch channel, to the old and the new family. I say thank you so much for coming back. Banku and tilapia on the menu. I have various and numerous way of grilling my tilapia, but this is what I do when I want to pair it up with banku, with some soft banku waiting for. This is the reason why you're here, so let me give it to you right now. I always begin with a tilapia, which I have 2 of them. So I will be blending all these vegetables to marinate my tilapia. I do have some bell peppers, some serrano peppers, ginger, garlic, basil leaves, some salt, shrimp powder, Maggie cube, and some all-round seasoning, and of course I have my green chili sauce here. It's going to do some magic, and of course I did have some. And please do check the description box. I have listed all the ingredients there. I like to clean my tilapia, which I've done the first one already. So let me show you how I clean my tilapia fish. So I start off by cleaning the gills of a fish. You just cut them off with scissors. Really very easy to cut them with the kitchen scissors that I have. Really love that. So sharp. And then you just cut off all the grills, and be very careful when you're taking off the gills cover. It is very sharp and you can easily hurt yourself. And always also do remember that tilapia also have some scales, so you just, after cutting off the head, you just scale all the scales that it has off, and then voila, your tilapia fish is neatly cleaned. So easy and very simple. Once I am done cleaning it, so yeah, it's time for us to insert our fish. And then this is really very good for your fish to really marinate well. So yeah, by doing this, 100% sure that all the spices are going right in your fish very well. It's going inside, okay? So once I'm done with that, I just take my lime juice and then sprinkle a little bit on it, and after that I just wash it thoroughly. I do to both fishes. Really very important for all that nasty, fishy smell to get out of my fish. Yes. Once I get the tilapia clean out of the way, I go ahead to blend all my vegetables and spices, blend them all together, and I add just a tiny little bit of olive oil to this mixture. The goal for this is not to get a super smooth paste. It's how I like mine anyways, but you can go ahead and blend yours to get that smooth paste you want. And yeah, I just set it to 1 and blend it for just like 2 minutes, and that is all. I just don't blend it too much. That is what I'm talking about, imagine that intensive flavor your tilapia is going to get. And this all-round seasoning is just everything, and you blend it together very well and taste for salt. And if you need more, you add, but I recommend that you add a little bit of salt, because anytime you're doing marinate something, you just have to be generous, little bit more generous with your salt, so that your tilapia can absorb everything together. And this is so good. When you taste it, it tastes so good. So I just go ahead and pour it on my tilapia, just open all the holes or the cuts, and then fill it up. It really needs that. And yeah, you are going to have the best tilapia with your banku, trust me. After a good filling of this marinade, I just wrap it up and put it in the fridge for at least 1 hour, and then yeah, it would be ready to go to the oven. As you can see, it's just marinated so well, 1 hour, and so yes, I just put it in the oven at 120, and anytime I see that it's getting dry, I just brush it off with this amazing green chili sauce. I have the recipe for this, so please check it out. So then I go ahead with my BANKU. I have my fermented corn dough and some cassava dough mixed with a pinch of salt and water. Yeah, that is how you do BANKU. I did not want this video to be too long, so I would probably do a video of the past 30 minutes. We've been driving this BANKU, yeah, and now it is ready, family. It is so ready, and we are about to. So I shape it in the form that I want, and one thing about my BANKU is I don't like it in bigger bowls. I always do small balls of BANKU, and that is me. But you can shape it in any form that you want. Now just permit me, let me do this. This tilapia, oh my goodness, just the way I love it. I just lost the part where I was like brushing it with my green sauce, but it's okay. My tilapia is ready, and I'm happy how it went and how it came out. So right now I just want to cut some few vegetables. I use the bell peppers. You know, they are colorful and they're so good. Some onions as well. I'm going to stir fry it. I know, Team Garnishing Gang, I know you're around. I love to garnish food with this delicious and beautiful colors. So I just cut them into the shapes that I want and then stir fry it. I put a little bit of Maggie sauce on it and then fry it till it become soft enough, not too much, but around 2-3 minutes you should be done with the stir frying. And that is all that you have to do with your veggies. Now my fish is done, checked. Veggies popping, my BANKU super soft and ready, and you can see those beautiful colors of pepper sauces coming through right there. We have our red, our green sauce, which I have a video of, family. Check it out. It is just life, that green sauce, okay? And I also have my shito video. I will link them all down below in the description box, so please check it out. There is a reason why this food is overhyped in Ghana. Go to a restaurant or that same meal and the price, the debate team say, bah! Yes, BANKU and tilapia is live, family. It is live, so delicious. Like, look at those colors. Isn't it inviting? I know you want to try this, fam. Just try it and you will not regret this at all. It's just 5-star, okay? 5-star restaurant up here. 5-star quality BANKU and tilapia. Look how soft that BANKU is. Oh, I know you want to try this. Try this, family. And if you are not a fan of BANKU, you can actually do some acheke to pair with this tilapia. And let me show you how moist it is in the inside. It's so good, fam. You dip it in all the sauces. Yes, that is how it should be eating. Okay, family. So good, super hyped in Ghana. Like, yeah, you know, Ghanaians, you need to be rough. Hey, what your neck is loving, like, please pop up to the kitchen and create this magic, okay? And I promise you're not going to regret it. This year, it's to fever, okay? Fever-free food. When you eat this, no fever, no kata, whatever. These peppers are going to do all the work for you. So yes, family, this brings us to the end. I didn't want this video to end at all. Thank you so much for watching. And if this is your first time, please do not forget to subscribe and join the family. Thank you once again, and see you in my next video.